Sometimes you wake up in the morning, you're feeling great, but you also think to yourself, another week, another month. Today is the 2nd of December, and you don't know what the future brings. But then you come out, and this is what you see. And this is what nature provides. And it really lifts my mood, it really lifted my mood today to see this. I wasn't feeling down, but it really elevated my mood even more. Plus, I have my dogs, so that helps as well. At the moment, they are having their sea chews. They like to eat in the morning. Rose, where is yours? Hmm? Where is yours? This is the second time that I've given you a sea chew and you let one of the other dogs take it. I don't have any more until tomorrow. Okay. Have a good day, people.